Hey all food lovers and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you all how to prepare sour and spicy mullet fish curry. This dish is locally known as Shevtyache Ambot Tik. Mullet fish is a freshwater fish and also found in seawater. Now let's begin with the recipe.
I have two fresh mullets here. So first clean them and then cut them into medium sized pieces like this. Apply 1 teaspoon salt, mix well and keep aside for 30 minutes. Grind all the ingredients mentioned for the masala in a mixer using little water till you get a fine textured paste. Remove it in a separate bowl. Heat 3 tablespoons of refined oil in a vessel, add chopped onion and saute for few minutes. Then add the chopped tomatoes and cook till they are soft. Then add the ground masala and cook the masala on medium flame till the rawness from the masala disappears. You can add more water in the curry depending on your consistency. This is the fish which I had marinated with salt. I washed it once to get rid of excess salt. Now I'll add this in the curry. Give a quick stir. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes till the fish is cooked. Season it with salt, sugar and kokum. And if you want the curry to be little more sour, you can add some vinegar. I use the palm vinegar. Finally, sour and spicy mullet curry is ready to be served with boiled rice.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. If you have any questions, suggestions regarding the recipe, or you can write in the comment section below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video.